Are you tired of feeling lost in your digital marketing? Opening your analytics, seeing only flatlines? Wondering if this whole digital marketing thing is just a frustrating maze with no way out? Does it even work? You have the courses, MRR, UBC, PLR, the strategy, but the results just isn't there. It's like you're driving a car with the GPS spinning in circles. I know that frustration all too well, and in this video, we are going to fix that. You see, the problem isn't you. It's often a lack of clear diagnostic processes. You wouldn't treat a medical condition without knowing what's wrong, right? The same with your business. We need to audit to get the real picture of what's working and what's broken. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step audit framework that cuts through all the noise and gives you actionable clarity. This isn't about more theory. You have more than enough of that. This is about gaining control. We will build your ability to observe your business objectively and make confident decisions. No more guessing, no more overwhelm. Just focused action based on data. Our audit has three core parts, aligning with three factors for success: self-mastery, observation, and communication. First, we evaluate your strategy. Are you even on the right path? Second, we analyze your funnel. Where are the leaks? Third, we refine your messaging. Are you truly connecting? This is about the big picture. Are your goals clear and are your actions aligned with those goals? We'll define your core objectives, sales, leads, and break down your strategy into measurable steps. Then we'll assess if your business model itself is sound for 2025. Your funnel is about turning leads into customers. Is it working or is it losing prospects at each stage? We'll map out your customer journey, identify bottlenecks, and pinpoint where you're losing potential sales. This is about data, not gut feelings. Are you speaking to your ideal customer in a way that resonates with them? We'll analyze your language, your offers, and your calls to action to see if they are compelling enough. This is where we connect with their needs, desires, and pain points. What are your real goals? Not just make more money, but specific numbers, timelines. Are you focused on sales, leads, brand awareness, or something else? Clarity is power. Break down your strategy into daily and weekly activities. If your goals are X sales, how many leads do you need? How many emails do you send? And how many posts do you make? Are these actions actually contributing to your goals, or are they just busy work? Is your business model itself sustainable? Is it profitable? Is it scalable? In 2025, certain models are thriving while others are dying. We need to make sure that you're on the right track. Let's map out your customer's journey. From the first time they hear about you to the moment that they buy. Where are people dropping off? Is it your landing page, your sales page, or your checkout process? We'll use analytics to pinpoint these leaks and quantify the losses. I once found a single step in my funnel where the drop-off rate hit nearly 35%. After reviewing the page, I realized it was filled with vague copy and unclear calls to action. It redirected visitors to a cluttered sales page offering 5 different products. No guidance, no clear next step. I simplified the messaging, narrowed the offer to one clear outcome, and streamlined the page to guide visitors to a simple, compelling call to action. Conversions improved dramatically. Show me your sales copy, your ads, and your email sequences. Are you using the right language? Are you addressing their core needs and desires? Are your calls to action compelling? Remember, people buy on emotion and justify with logic. The key is to connect your funnel data with your messaging. If people are dropping off at a certain point, your messaging there is most likely the problem. This is where observation informs communication. Aligning your messaging with the inner dialogue of your ideal customer creates a natural connection. When your audience feels understood, the path to conversion becomes much smoother. An audit isn't a one-time thing. It's a cycle. You audit, you make changes, you measure again, and you repeat. This is how you achieve continuous improvement and long-term growth. Successful digital marketers audit so that they can move with clarity. If you're ready to implement this audit framework and finally get clarity in your business, I invite you to register for the Digital Marketing Accelerator Mentorship Program. This isn't just information, it is implementation and accountability. It's how you turn those courses into consistent cash flow. You already have the knowledge, you just need the system. Don't let frustration paralyze you. Take action one step at a time. And remember, you are not alone. There is a community of people going through the same thing. The key takeaways here: clarity, action, and continuous improvement. Audit your business regularly, focus on data, connect with your audience. Here's another problem though. If you don't know your ideal customer deeply, none of this matters. So watch this video next to figure out exactly who you are selling to.